Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make rice water. Which you guys know, rice water promotes healthy hair, make your hair grow super fast, super thick, and keep it long, thick, and shiny. So here are some of the things you may need. You're going to need some purified water, distilled water, either one, a measuring cup. Well, I use mine to measure. You're going to need your rice, of course, your mason jar, and also a bowl, okay? Your handy dandy bowl. Alright, now let's just get started. First thing you need to do is wash your rice. I washed mine before the video. It just basically rinsing the rice until the water is clear. You're taking all the impurities off, all the dirt, dust, or whatever the case that may be on the rice. Wash it until the water runs clear, basically. So now what I'm going to do is put all the rice into my handy dandy bowl, and then you're going to pour 8 ounces of water into your bowl. Now I use a cup of rice. That's why the measuring cup was there. I used 1 cup of rice, and I used 8 ounces of water. Now the water, I'm going to pour 8 ounces in there, and then we're going to smush the rice in the bowl to release all the nutrients that it has to help promote healthy hair growth. Now, if you do not know, you can go ahead and Google it, YouTube it, whatever the case that may be. Asians swear by the stuff, and for what I see and what I hear and what I have read, it's very, very true about the rice water. It basically is fermented rice water, and you let it sit for like a whole entire day, 24 hours, and then you use it on your hair after you wash your hair. Some people do it before, but I'm going to wash my hair, and then I'm going to spray it all over my head. Then they say you keep it on for approximately about 30 minutes. I'm going to do mine for an hour with a shower cap on, and rinse it out, you know, it's like a conditioner or whatever. So we're going to see, because I'm going to definitely test this theory and let you guys know. I'm going to do maybe a 7-day. I know that's really short, but I'm going to really do my edges and like my hair. So maybe 2 weeks, do like that. I'll do 2 weeks, and we will see what happens within that time frame. So anyway, you guys, so like I said, I'm basically right now I'm just smushing the rice, trying to get good in there. Maybe you need to use a fork or something, I don't know, but I use a spoon. And after that, we're going to pour it into our mason jar, put our lid on it. I forgot my lid in the kitchen. And then we're going to leave it in the leave it on the counter, wherever you want to leave it at room temperature, so it can ferment. Okay, and that's basically it. And then for the next video, I guess I'll be showing you how to use it, and then the hair growth type of thing. So if you have any other questions, be sure to comment below. Let me know below if you have ever used rice water, or know someone who has, that had their hair to grow back, you know, whether the edges or the length or thickness, whatever the case that may be. Just be sure to let me know if you have used it, or they have used it and you saw it firsthand that it works. Okay, so continue to watch the video, and I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye. Okay, you guys, so I took it one step further, you know, instead of just letting, you know, sit in the mason jar, you know, with the lid, and then you have to transfer over to a bottle anyway. So I have this aluminum bottle I got from Dollar Tree, and I just transferred the water and put a little bit of rice inside of it. And so once I let it sit for 24 hours and maybe a little longer, and it'll already be in a spray bottle and be ready for me to use once I wash my hair. I think that'd be a smart thing to do, something, you know, easier. So yeah, and also, by the way, I heard it's gonna be really stink. Some people don't say theirs don't stink. You know, I don't know. I won't know until I do mine. But I use long grain rice. There's days that you can use any type of rice you want to use. So yeah, anyway, like I said, I use this bottle right here, and I will let you guys know how it works once I come back. Okay, so enjoy the video, and I will see you guys next time.